Go. Go. Right, cinnamon challenge. Say that. How's it going? You cloud of smoke there. Okay. You thirsty?
I can't swallow it.
What?
I can't swallow it.
You have to. You have to. Good boy. Oh my god. Smile to the camera. Don't spit. Don't spit. Smile. Oh god. Oh god. Oh, did you feel? Oh, smile, smile. Oh man. Go on your stop it now.
It's not that bad. It's not funny.
How do you feel about that? Is it good? Is it as hard as people make it look?
My mouth is very dry right now.
Is it as hard as people make it look?
Not that. It's not like spicy in it. It's just dry. It's so dry.
Just like you said, I would never do that after all the videos on YouTube. That's rotten. Right, say goodbye.
Bye, YouTube.